apply to. So I'm going to show you some tricks on how you can browse that website and be able to spot those hidden jobs, and then you can just apply to them. So the first thing is, let's just type the unjobs.org. So after it has opened, so you see, like now, it is very tedious to click through. You see, we have how many? 3,358 jobs are listed on this website. Okay, we also have the non-UN jobs, these ones, non-UN jobs, and then the latest UN job. Although we also have these latest detestation, organization, closing soon. Okay, this one is kind of a tedious way, and just clicking through until you finish all these 3,358. You'll get tired in a minute. So I'm going to show you the trick on how you can just go into it and then just click on what is required, what you are interested in. So at the URL at the end of the .org, just type themes, then you press enter. So let me say, I'll just give an example. Like myself, I've done computer science. So I'll just choose jobs that have computer science in them, or computer science has been listed as a requirement. So in this case, I'll just click on computer science. Where is it? It's here. So you see how many jobs you have? 458. So this one is only computer science. If I were to apply for this job, I'll just choose one job and then check the requirement. If I feel that I have almost like more than 60% or 70%, I can apply to that job. So basically all these jobs, you see how many? 401. All of them have computer science in them. So these are the kind of jobs I can apply to if I were to apply. But the other, I'll say the previous way of just clicking through, sometimes you get discouraged and you don't feel like continuing to browse the website to look for a specific job. So I will also look at any other jobs. Let's say for someone who has done maybe something like what? Let me say, I don't know if the civil engineering. Yeah, you see civil engineer. So I'll just click on civil engineer. You see, you have 66. So among these 66, you see civil engineer, civil engineer, civil engineer. So you can actually apply to this job. Another one is what? Let me check. Like food science, or let's say food security. Let me just choose food security. So where they have mentioned food security, if you have qualification related to food security, you can actually apply to this job. You see how many jobs? 599. So this one is an easier way of doing it, instead of wasting time just going through each and every page. Next page, 3,000 is very tedious. Like now you see it has been reduced to 599. So let's check also another way. Another job. Let's say you are looking for a job, maybe something related to remote sensing. You see, you have like 40. So here you just click. You don't have to waste time, and you'll be presented with the jobs that require someone who has some remote sensing qualification. So I would encourage the job seekers to use this. When you visit this website, the unjobs.org, just type stroke the forward slash or forward stroke and then type themes, and then you press enter. So another one is information technology. Any job that they have mentioned information technology, so you can also check on it, and then you see a lot of them. How many? 346. But if you say you're going to use just the normal way, 3,358, clicking through each and every job, sometimes it can be discouraged. So I'll also show you some other website, but those ones I don't think we have some trick, but I'll try. So there's another website that is called UN Jobsnet. Yeah, this one. So this is another website where you can check for jobs. So basically you just click here and then you indicate your area of work. Let's say I'm looking for information communication technology job. So you see this one will narrow down to only information technology jobs. And again, I can also indicate the level: general support, associate, entry, professional, middle level. I can choose any, and then the website will just give me the filtered list of the jobs. So this one makes it easy, and you don't have to waste time while you are applying for these jobs. So again, there's still another website I'll show you. uncareer.net. This is another website. So I don't think this one has a filter as such. The only filters I'm seeing here are for countries and cities, organizations. Yeah? So this is another website that you can check out, but I don't think this one uses the same trick like this one. So you can also check on this one for the UN jobs, and for those who are looking for jobs in NGOs, you can also look at Relief Web. Relief Web. So this one I'll just search. So this one is Relief Web. So let's say, for instance, for me is information technology. I'll just add and then apply the filter. So it will only list jobs that are related to information technology. So if you are someone who is doing a different thing, then you can choose either human resource or any other jobs, and you can apply to it. Okay, there's another website called Career Jobs International. So this is another website that you can also check out for jobs. This one. So this one, the website is updated very frequently. You see, like this one, 56 minutes ago, 1 hour ago, 2 hours ago. So you just get the latest information about the jobs that have been posted. And you see, we have almost like 10,969 jobs. So you can apply to these, and you can see they also have international contract jobs. So you can just click through. If you are not into the UN or NGO, you can also check other organizations that are recruiting. So all these are links that you can also check on them for different jobs. And these ones are international organizations, so you can always check on them. And then just learn about the UN competency. You can also go through this one. Just learn how to pass this UN competency, because you see, you notice that for each and every job that is posted, especially the UN job, they will always list some competencies that you need to be aware of. We have the core values, and then we have the core competencies and the managerial, if the position is related to managerial. So basically this is how you can do this. I don't think there's much I can mention on this website. So when you have time, just visit this website and then check it out. Then there's another one. I don't know if it's still online. Called African NGO jobs. Let me see if I'll get there. Yeah, this is the one I'm talking about. Okay, these ones are this website is for the NGO jobs that are based in Africa. So anyone who is interested in working in Africa, this is where you check for these jobs. And you see, they are updated frequently. So you see, like this one on 22nd. This one is today. So you can, and you see how many jobs you have, 1015 available jobs for you. So this is something that you can also check. And here, up here, they have their own filter. So if you are interested, especially for the NGO jobs that are in Kenya or any other country, maybe Ghana or Nigeria, you can also check. So let's say a person like me is information technology, so I just click and then check. So basically we have 8 available jobs. These ones are all based in Kenya, so anyone who is interested can apply for this job. And this one is okay. I've just chosen randomly. I've chosen IT, but depending with your profession or the skills, you can apply. You can actually filter, and then you get the right category, and then you just apply for those jobs. I don't know if there is another website. Okay, there's the Inspire, but for me, I rarely go to the UN website to look for jobs, because actually this one is just like an aggregator. It brings all the jobs from different organizations. So when you click on the job, then let's say for instance, if I click on this program assistant, then I'll check the details, and then when I click down here, now it will transfer me to that organization or website, and I should be able to apply. Like this one is from the UN, so at least for this one you get you get a lot of results from different organizations for the like you see all these organizations, these ones. Then we still have others here, but just like I said, this is very tedious to do it like this. You'd rather just come here, just type themes. When you type themes, then you see like I would just choose a job random job. Let's say like human right. Let's check on human right. How many jobs we have? For human right, we have like 48. You see here we have 1,805. So what you need just to do is just click on that, or humanitarian law if you have some skills in humanitarian law, humanitarian response, humanitarian standard. You just click on it, and then it will show you jobs that actually that skill has been mentioned. And as you are aware, nowadays what usually happens is that it's not only you who is applying for that job. We have over 1,000 people who are applying. So it's not the HR human being who is going to do the selection. Mostly it's the application tracking system. We call it the ATS. So these keywords are very important when you are looking for this job, or when you are preparing your cover letter and CV. Just ensure that the keywords they have listed here. Don't change the English. Just use the keywords, because basically the human HR, when they type on their system, they will use those keywords, and then a list will be populated, and then from that list they will still narrow down, and then they might come up with almost like 10 or 5, and those are the only job applicants that will reach the HR desk, and then the human will be able to read them, and then they will schedule an interview for you. So I wish you all the best as you search for jobs, and don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, because you never know. Information is power. So if you find someone who is also looking for a job, just share some of these websites I've mentioned, and then just show them some of these tricks. They can use this trick to look for jobs. Someone might be suffering outside there, they don't know where to look for these jobs. And I think this is just a noble idea, just to help each one of us, because information is power. If you don't have the information, then somehow you'll be just suffering outside there. You don't know where to apply. Maybe you have only one place where you are looking for this job, especially, okay, these ones are for the UN and the NGOs. So okay, that's all from my side. Thank you.